What's your advice for listeners that want to quit their day job and start their own brand?
I think in the last 5 years, maybe we had meetings with more than 100 different aspiring entrepreneurs who have an idea for a product or for a crowdfunding campaign. And then the worst advice to give them, in my opinion, is just do it. Quit your job, get started, and then you see what happens. That's really, really risky. It might work out, but most of the time it doesn't. So my advice is don't just do it. Don't just quit your day job. First, get some proof of concept on the side. Get real paying customers who give you feedback, optimize your idea, and then you quit your job. And then you scale a sustainable idea instead of something that is half thought out.
Yeah. And I guess that also makes the process a little bit more fun and a little less terrifying. I can imagine if you quit your job and then you've got nothing left to run on after 6 months, you're kind of screwed, huh?
This is an excellent point because it's really scary when you see your savings becoming smaller and smaller every month. You might even commit to a bad idea just because you need to get started. Like, don't put that pressure on yourself. Then entrepreneurship is not fun. Like the first months are the most fun time of starting a business. That's why it's just fun and games. You don't have a big team. You don't have a lot of fixed cost. You can still innovate on everything. Like embrace that part of the journey.